Welcome to the Taking a Selfie on an iPhone course. In this video, you'll learn how to take a selfie. A selfie is a photo taken using the iPhone's front-facing camera. It's called a selfie because it's usually a photo of yourself and anyone else who can fit in the shot. To start, let's open the camera app. You could tap the camera icon on the home screen, but there's also a shortcut you can use at any time, whether you're in an app, on a call, or browsing a website. So let's look at that instead. This shortcut uses your phone's built-in control center. The way you open the control center depends on your iPhone model. If your iPhone has a physical home button, you will need to swipe your finger up from the bottom of the screen. On a newer model, swipe down from the top right. The swipe should begin with your finger in the bezel, which is the area that surrounds the screen. For this demonstration, we'll swipe down from the top right of the screen. Look for the camera icon, which is in the last row of icons in the control center. Tap it to open the camera app. Now, find the Switch Camera button at the lower right of the screen. It looks like two round arrows in a circle. Tap it to activate the iPhone's front-facing camera. Your face should appear on the screen. You might need to hold the iPhone out at arm's length and at a bit of an angle to compose the perfect selfie photo. Tap the Capture button to take your selfie. Take as many photos as you like to practice. It can be a good idea to look directly at the camera, which is at the top of your iPhone when taking a selfie. The photos you've taken are saved in the Photos app on your phone,